A million people in the crowd, but I only.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Okemute. If it's your first time here, hello, thank you for joining the family. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed this beautiful butterfly locks that I have on. It was sent to me from Jamaican Collection. Thank you so much, Jamaican Collection, for sending this one out to me. And yeah, you guys, without talking too much, let's head right into today's video. So my hair is pretty much wet at the moment because I just came right out of the shower. So I'm just going to head right into moisturizing, and I'm going to be using my Cantu leave-in conditioner first. I'm just going to apply this all over my hair. Next, I'm going to be going in with a random olive oil. So there's this braid pattern that I see a lot of people do when they want to do faux locks, and they don't want to do like the single faux locks all through. They will just do like single, kind of like mimic it looking single in front and then braid the back into their regular cornrows. So I'm going to see if I can do that with my short hair today. So let's just go on this ride together. So I'm going to braid this one that I just portioned, and I'm just going to braid it a bit. And I'm going to add this one right here to it from the back, and then braid it a little bit again. Just like that, and I'm going to continue doing that to the rest. Alright guys, so now I'm done with the front and this is what we have. So I'm going to connect this to the back, and this was actually easier than I thought it was going to be. I thought my short hair was going to be a problem, but it didn't end up being a problem, and I could have skipped using the rubber band. If you look closely, I skipped using the rubber band in this area. I think you can do without using the rubber band because it wasn't really necessary at the end of the day. So I'm just going to go ahead and connect these ones to the back, and I'll be right back. Alright you guys, so this is what we have, and now I'm just going to move on to start installing the locks. And like I said earlier, the locks that I'm going to be using today was sent to me from Janet Collection. It's from their Nala Tress line. This is the 3X butterfly locks, and I have her in color 1B. Yeah, 1B? Yeah, I do have her in color 1B. And this locks comes in a variety of inches. We have 14, 12, and 10. So depending on what you're going for, you could decide to start with the longer one first, or you start with the shorter one first. But I think I'm going to do the short ones at the back and then the long one in front. So yeah, you guys, we're just going to head right into it. Alright guys, so we're done finally after what seemed like forever. We're done, and I used a total of 2 packs, and this is what we have.
A million people in the crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights. And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna.
Alright guys, so this is what we have, and this turned out really nice. And the only problem that I have with this one is that the loop is very tiny, so you have to really work hard on expanding the loop. But besides that, this turned out really great, and is very full. And yeah, you guys, let me know what you think in the comment section. If you made it to this point, please give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share with your friends, share with your family. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.